Welcome guys. Let's do EGL coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and please watch this video complete. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration and after first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is first chart. This is EGLD USDT pair daily chart. Currently it is at $238 right now and it is in this pennant pattern. Actually it is a bearish pattern. Price drops continuously. Here you can see we see a correction about 58% and now price is at $237. There is major support is at $215. After that next support area is $185 and next support area is $158. And if it broke towards upside, our next target is $320, $349 and $430. These are coming targets. These white lines are horizontal resistance zones as well as these are our next targets. And these blue lines are support zones. Price can go down to hit these zones. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Candle break this EMA ribbon towards downside and that is a bearish sign. Here you can see candles break this EMA ribbon towards upside and we see a move of 238% towards upside. And here you can see we see a move of 126% and now we can see a move of 33% towards downside. It is very bearish right now and here you can see candles break this and after that we see a move of 64% towards downside, and that is why this is a bearish sign and we have to watch it very carefully. And let me please hide this and let me please show you RSI. Currently RSI is at 41. It have to cross 50. After that price will boost and after that big rally towards upside will start. We have to wait. If it break $215 price zone, in that case price can go down. And if it break $320 price zone towards upside, in that case definitely price is ready towards upside next targets. And let me please show you CPR indicator. Main CPR indicator showing us these values. These yellow lines are main CPR lines, here you can see, and these red lines are bearish targets. Candles holding this bearish target 1 and next bearish target is at $110 price zone. But I don't think price can go down to hit this zone. I think price will go up and after that price will touch this zone $380 and here price can face some resistance and price can face to break resistance to this area and we have to watch this area. After that price can hit these targets. Until now we have to be very careful. And let me please hide this and let me please show you fib levels to trade. For this let me please took this tool and let me please arrange this chart and let me please show you levels to trade. Currently it break 0.61 golden pocket, $245 price area. Next target is 0.78 which is $163 price zone, and if it break towards upside it have to break $245 price zone and close daily candle above this. Once it do this, in that case, zero point 0.5 is our next zone, and it is $302 price zone. And after that, 0.38, which is $360 price zone. Let me please show you weekly chart. This is weekly chart. This is main trend line, and this is main support line is at $225 price area. And next resistance it can face at $305 price area. And here you can see price holding this area very successfully, and this is a trend line, and price respect this trend line. Every time price touches this trend line, price bounce back. And here you can see price touches this area and bounce back. Here you can see price touches this area, price bounce back. And now what next? Price have to hold this area, $225 price area. If unfortunately price break this area, next zone is $171 price area. And after that, next bearish zone is this area, which is $190 price area. But I think price have to hold this, and after that price can hit $305, $429 and $581 price zone. If I calculate according to the fib tool, in that case, let me please arrange this. Let me please do this. Here you can see it have to cross $295 price zone. Once it cross this area in weekly chart, in that case next target is $343, which is 0.38 fib level. After that, 0.5 fib level, which is $381 price area, and after that 0.61, which is $420 price area, and it is a golden pocket price area. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And please do me a favor. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me.